Hey family, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today this video is about Dalton Harris and his revelation. Well, some people will say it's no revelation. They knew that all along. So after years of being labeled as homosexuals by most Jamaicans, Dalton Harris has announced that he is a pansexual. People, forgive my ignorance, but I had to research what a pansexual is. And basically, pansexual is not limited to any sexual gender. It means that they love anybody. When I look up the meaning, it's a pansexuality is sexual, romantic, or emotional attraction towards people regardless of their sex or gender identity. Alright, that means that they love anybody. They don't see no gender, they just love. Okay. So Mr. Dalton said he is a pansexual. He said, I am who I am. Simply put, in a post on his Instagram page, he thanked his well-wishers and said he will be sharing more of his journey. A post on his Instagram page, he thanked his well-wishers and he said he would be sharing more of his journey. Thank you for everything, he started. I am growing. Opinions don't matter anymore, but you're welcome to wasting yours. To everyone that struggles, I will be sharing how to get help in a few days. I will take a break to focus on my recovery and healing and be with people who love me. Privacy and honesty are different things, and no one is entitled to me. I will never ask for acceptance from anyone that struggles to accept me in the slightest bit. That is done and over with. And then he closed with, lastly, to the boys with fragile ego, I am a top to you and your girlfriend or non-binary partner. And for those of you who knows what the top mean in their world, yeah, so you see that he is the top. All right. He also posted, finally, stop saying I am weak like a girl. Women aren't weak, nor am I. I am a man. Vulnerability is strength, and not many men possess it. Wow. Wow, he had some very choice things to say. He added, yow. And lastly, to those that are still attacking my sexuality, my privacy is my business, and whoever enters my bedroom will get there because of how I feel about them. Any of the other physical checkpoints I should meet to make anyone accept me, my life is mine to live. Well, he has been getting mixed reviews. Some of his fans are praising him and some people are burning him out, but he got responses like, you are so brave, I am really proud of you. I hope you receive a lot of support. Another said, you're valid, you're beautiful, and you're strong. And another said, just don't let the people who don't matter much matter too much. Stay on top of it, brother. There were also people shooting their shots at him, yes, and others inquiring about the right pronouns to use when addressing him. Yes, the one with him, he or she. Yep. He also revealed that he almost committed suicide recently, and he gave thanks to a recent ex for seemingly helping him to reach a point of enlightenment and how he should live his life. He said, "I want to be happy and truly smile. I ended a relationship that was the best thing that happened to me, and that taught me so many things. Taught me that I am valuable and that I matter and deserve love. Thank you, Ayos." I hope I pronounce it Ayose, right? Thank you. I will love you forever. So there you have it. Mr. Dalton has finally revealed his true self. I don't know how hard it was for him and how long it took him to get here, but he has finally found peace with himself. So comment below, tell me what you think and how you feel. Okay, because as they say, to each his own, and everybody has to live their own life, right? So you're living yours, I'm living mine, and he has finally started to live his. Or maybe he has been living it before, but he has finally made it public. So whatever it is, I wish him all the best in his musical career. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.